Okay, we're gonna make a pig. The pig we leave about 8 inches uninflated. This one is gonna actually use the tulip twist, which you put your finger on the tip of the balloon on the nozzle, push it into the first knuckle, about the nozzle's right here, about a ½ inch back from that, I grab the balloon, pushing in till I can pinch the nozzle with my left hand. With my right hand, I'm going to use my bird finger and my thumb and roll the balloon off of my finger. Don't pull your finger out or it will break. Then I'm going to twist this without squeezing it, just twist it. And the nozzle's right there. What I want is the nozzle to be in here, so I'm going to roll this balloon a little so the nozzle's in there. What that does is it makes it a little bit harder for this to come untwisted. Then we're going to do the same head that we did for a cat, starting with the bubble you cannot forget, which is the middle of the head. Now with the pig, everything's going to be smaller. We're going to make the cheek 1.5 inches. The ear I still want to be a good 1 inch bubble for the ears of the pig, and that's a pinch twist, followed by another 1.5 inches for the top of the head. And then again, I usually hold this with my body. Another bubble for the second ear, the same size as the first, and then the cheeks, twist them together. Just like a cat, I flip this up and I roll these 3 over. Once I get it through, I come to the other side. I'm going to hold that little bubble, pull the nose through, and straighten out the ears. With the pig, I have the ears sideways like this. So if you're looking at the pig straight on, the pinch twists are going to be sideways as opposed to that. Okay, now we're going to make a tiny little neck for the pig. And then this is where you're going to evaluate how much you have left, because you need a pair of legs, a bird body, then another pair of legs. Usually give my pig a couple inches for the front legs. You're going to give a couple inches for the bird body, so you make another pair of legs, followed by a third bubble the same size, which you're going to roll through. And then what you have left is the back legs and a little tail. So I twist this almost in half, flip this up and squeeze a little so that you're getting a little bit of a nub for a tail. And then I just straighten it out so it looks as good as possible for the pig.